Hi guys, welcome again to my mini blog. But before we start, please click that subscribe button and notification bell. Like and share this video. Today, I'm gonna make my version of chicken pastil. I have here 4 kilogram of chicken breast. Remove excess blood and wash thoroughly. Put some clean water and add the aromatics and spices. And about a tablespoon of fish sauce. Place it on the stove and I'm going to boil this for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, and it's already cooked, see that oil from the chicken? It means that chicken breast is cooked all the way through. I'm just going to take this chicken breast and let it cool down before shredding. And this chicken stock will be used in other dish. Breast already cooled down and ready for shredding. And here, our shredded chicken breast. I manually shred this by hand, so it took time for me to finish this. But it's worth it. And here are our ingredients: garlic, onions, chilies, and margarine. And we're ready to cook. Start to heat the wok and put generous amount of oil. Saute garlic first. Then the onions. Put all the shredded chicken strips to the wok. Mekus mo na yan insan. Tostos pero hindi bastos hihi. Add some more oil. Add 2 pieces of chicken cubes and ground black pepper. Put soy sauce to add flavor and color. 2 bay leaves. Oyster sauce. Mekus, again insan. Add on the margarine. This will give an extra flavor to the dish. And lastly, salt. Time to taste it. Good. Don't forget the red chilies. This will give it a kick to the dish. And we're done. Disclaimer: this is not the authentic chicken pastil. This is just my version of it. I put some of it in a glass jar, so my kids can nibble anytime they want. Tara, let's eat boodle fight style. Here we have white rice, some veggies, the chicken pastil and chili garlic oil that I made last time. Let's dig in. Get some chicken, put on top of rice, and a pinch of chili garlic paste. First bite. Thank you, Lord. One more time. This is so tasty, and we're enjoying it. So good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like and share button and leave a comment. Have a blessed weekdays, everyone, and see you next time. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel and other social media platform. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video.